welcome to my channel. My name is Victoria and thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. I make videos about pretty much everything: makeup, lifestyle, relationships, mom stuff. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe and make sure you click the notification bell so that you know whenever I upload new videos. So I'm actually very excited to be doing this video. It is in collaboration with ZEELOOL. I'm actually wearing their glasses now, but they reached out to me a while ago to do this collaboration. So today I'll be trying out some new styles that they sent me. So before I get into the actual try-on portion of this video, I want to give a little bit of background about the company, just in case you're kind of like, who is ZEELOOL? What is that? I've never heard of them before. They are an affordable eyewear company. I actually found them on Instagram. I remember looking at the photos and I was like, oh my goodness, those glasses are so cute. Oh my goodness. They have so many different styles to choose from on the website. And I've actually been wearing glasses since kindergarten. Yeah, like pretty much all my life I've had terrible eyesight. So, and I remember being younger when I was little and I first got my glasses. My first pair of glasses were these terrible metal frame, skinny, just the ugliest glasses that you could think of. And that's kind of how it's been like my entire childhood, traumatized by the ugliest glasses. But I'm so glad that I found this company. Oh my goodness, they have so many amazing styles to choose from. Also, if you're lucky enough to have perfect vision like me, they do also sell non-prescription glasses, so you can get a pair like this without a prescription just to be stylish, because they are really cute. Even though their glasses are already pretty affordable, they have constant ongoing promotions, so you can get them at an even lower price. And you can even use my coupon code VV10 to get an extra 10% off your order at checkout. Now that we're kind of all on the same page, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. I literally just got this in the mail. I opened it up a little bit to kind of see what was inside. But I didn't open it up all the way because I don't want to be like cheating, you know. Let's see. Every order does come with its own PD ruler. Every order comes with a PD ruler. This is used to measure the distance between your pupils, which is actually very important if you have I cannot talk today. This is actually very important if you have a prescription. You don't necessarily need the ruler to measure. You can measure at home by yourself. Just like get a piece of paper and like dot and then measure it that way. But you actually do need your PD measurement in order to order prescription lenses. Now, for the rest of this order, let's see what else is in here. It looks like they sent me 6 different glasses to try on. Oh, what's that? Okay, they done sent me a coupon. I'm not gonna share it. But let's see what else is in here. So they've sent me 6 different pair of glasses to try on. And these all have my prescription, by the way, because I am blind in the back. I need my prescription. Without it, I can't see anything. So every pair of glasses that you order from ZEELOOL comes with this own little eyeglass dust bag, has their logo on it. And like I said, I've ordered from them before. All the glasses also come with these. Ooh, hold on now. These are cute. Every pair of glasses comes with this own dust cloth as well to keep the glasses clean, which is something I definitely need because my glasses get dirty all the time. The first pair that I pulled out, let's see, I'm going to try to remember the names. These ones are in the style Tandy. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, style Tandy. They all come with this little plastic piece on them to make sure they don't break or anything. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off. Again, these are in the style Tandy. Ooh. Hold on now. Hold on now, because these are cute. These are actually really cute. Hold on. I have to compose myself because I did not expect these to be this cute. You know, I normally stick with the square lenses. I don't like too much color, and these are like the complete opposite. These are really cute. I'm gonna try and come in closer so you can see. And I think what I love most about these is the little gold details right here. It's really cute. Okay. I'm getting too into this. I got like 5 more to try on. Anyway, next pair. Okay, again, they all come with their own dust bag. They all come with their own dust bag and dust cloth. I think that's what you call these things. To keep the glasses clean. These, like I said, I'm blind without my glasses. These are the style Fuller. Now, I'm a little hesitant about these. I'm gonna try and put them closer so you can see. I think far away they look kind of brown, but they're actually purple and black, and they're like this cheetah print. Oh. Well, you know what? I actually look really good. Like, is it me or is it the glasses? Cause I'm actually very shocked that I'm liking these. Like I said before, I normally stick with square lenses, not too much color, but these. And these are cat eye shaped. I've never tried cat eye shaped glasses. These are really cute. Like, these are really cute. I'm sorry, I'm not looking at the camera, I'm looking at myself in the mirror. These are so cute. Oh, and what's the name of these? These are in the style Fuller. Again, they're a purple cat eye cheetah print. I almost forgot to mention that all of these glasses are blue light blocking. So if you're someone like me who's always staring at either your phone or your computer, these would be really good. They help with reducing eye strain by actually blocking all of those blue lights that come through on your computer screens and stuff. Okay, so let's see what the next pair is. Ooh, these are cute. Can you see that? It's like really sparkly. Ooh. These are like really sparkly. I think I'm really gonna like these ones. Yo, am I the only person that makes that face when they put on their glasses? Okay. No. These are really cute. I like these. Oh wait, let me get the name for you. Let's see. These ones are in the style Richardson. I'm not even sure how to describe these, but like they're like brown and black and gold. Again, it's still very cat eye. Again, I didn't think I would like the cat eye shape, but these are so freaking cute. And I just love that gold. It just pops on my skin. Okay, the next pair, let's see what we have. Okay, so this next style, oh, these are really cute. These ones are in the style Dorch. And this is like, these are one of those colors that I just love. They're cream and they got this clear detail on the side. I don't know if that's a cow print or if that's camo, but you know what? It looks really good. All right, let me go ahead and try these on. Okay. It's gonna be really hard for me to pick a favorite. These are really cute. Oh, these are so cute. Again, these ones are in the style Dorch, I believe it's called. If you're wanting to get any of these styles that I'm trying on, I will leave the name of each one in the description box along with the link so that you can purchase them or check them out for yourself. Again, you can use my discount code VV10 to get 10% off your orders. Now, these ones I am a little hesitant to try on because they are a lot of color for me. Again, I am not a color person. The next ones I'm trying on are going to be in the style Kala. And as you can see, that's a lot of color. Like, that's a lot of green. But you know what? I might like something new. Alright, these ones are in the style Kala. Now, I'm not really sure how to feel about these because I'm not really a color person. But they are still really cute, and I do like the fact that even though it's green, it's like not like in your face green. Let me see if I can get up close so you can see. And again, these ones are very cat eye. Very cat eye, and again, blue blocking, so they block all of that blue light from those horrible cell phones and computer screens. All right, the next ones that I'm going to try on, I think are going to be my favorite because if you remember at the beginning of this video, I love like the square glasses, very little color, and that's what these last ones are. Let's see, the next style I'm going to try on is going to be Claudette. Yes, these ones are definitely a winner. They are completely clear. They do have this really cute detail on the side. Now again, very cat eye, not my typical shape in eyewear, but I still think they're very cute and they look really good on my face. Again, these ones are in the style Claudette. And I will be leaving the link to each pair of glasses in the description box so you guys can purchase them. So I think that is all of them. Yeah, so that was all of them. I have to say, I can't pick a favorite, but I definitely like these ones, the Claudette, because they're the typical style that I would wear. And these style Dorch, I don't know, something about these colors is just like so me, and that cute little clear detail on the glasses. Yeah, I changed my mind. These ones are my favorite. This is just something about the gold and the cream that really just says me. Like, I love these. Anyway, all of the glasses that I tried on in this video will be linked in the description box below. And again, you can use my coupon code VV10 to get 10% off of your order. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and comment down below which one did you think was your favorite.